have here, Dutch? Well, to many of your guys' surprise, I would hope, Fuji is indeed back producing film. A couple of months ago, I made a video about a similar topic with Fuji and their production across seas, and so many of you basically called me an idiot, pulling from your deep, deep wells of knowledge, telling me that Fuji is long gone and dead. Well, shit, this new news about Fujifilm producing film again is going to be kind of awkward, but hey, not all heroes wear capes, just don't call me Bruce Wayne. Well, according to some news outlets in China and then subsequently Reddit and Kosmofoto, Fujifilm is bringing back color film production, but will be basing it out of China, which is an interesting move. It will start producing C200 and C400 color negative films at a production line in the city of Nanning. I'm gonna butcher all these Chinese names, but we'll try. In Guangxi province, according to reports on the Chaochangshu social network, which were then subsequently published on the Reddit analog community. The film will be produced by Yes Star, which produces medical films such as X-ray films and dental films. According to Chaochangshu, they will be produced by Guangxi Giant Star Medical Equipment Co., which previously produced medical films for Fujifilm and had experience in OEM of Fujifilm civilian high-gloss materials. This time, the film production line was reactivated. While it is unclear whether the two films will be Fujifilm's own emulsions or Eastman Kodak's Gold 200 and Ultramax 400, which have been packaged as Fujifilm 2 and 400 in recent years, I would have thought that it would have to be the older emulsions, especially with them being in different film canisters, but the internet seems to be coming to the conclusion that as of now, it is still a Kodak film that they're just finishing. I still do have hope that they'll bring back some of these legacy stocks, but for now, who knows? I was quite shocked when first reading that they were pursuing production in China, but with them completely stopping much of the consumer film production during the pandemic, I'm guessing that this venture in China is a much more economic one. Which is interesting, as we've seen some Shanghai 400 film coming out and Lucky film being re-announced. China is getting quite a big surge in film popularity, which is good. While getting C200 and C400 back is some of the best news of this year so far, especially in my opinion, I am excited mostly for them hopefully bringing back some of their other films, specifically Pro 400H, as that's one of my favorite films, and I've also heard really great things about Fuji Color 100 and its versatility as a color film stock. Regardless of what it truly means, this is good news nonetheless. Fuji is showing that maybe, just maybe, they aren't completely out of the game, and hopefully they'll be bringing back some of these older, more legacy film stocks. Let me know down in the comments what you think about this news, and let me know what you think about the future of Fuji going forward. Do you think that we'll ever see some of these legacy film stocks get brought back, or do you think it is more of a pipe dream, and this is more of a almost behind-the-scenes production upgrade for Fujifilm? Otherwise, that's pretty much it for the news. We've gotten a lot of good stuff in the last couple of weeks, from Pentax's new camera, Lucky's new film being announced, Fujifilm's new film being announced. I'm assuming a Rolly 35AF update or even potential release here coming very soon, which is all great news for film. I know earlier this year I released a video with a bit of a doomer title, which was strategic, but many people were, I think, taking my initial skepticism for this upcoming year of film a little too straightforward and wasn't really seeing the point of the video, which is that this year is a really big benchmark for film. I think with all these new releases, showing support and hopefully success with some of these products will hopefully advocate for more companies to create more products in the future, thus keeping film alive and creating more of a future for other photographers to get into film. Otherwise, that's gonna do it for this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next one, stay safe, stay shooting. Adios.